Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics from the world of artificial intelligence. But before starting today's video, I want to tell you that our channel Tech Sada has now become SST, Science, Sanatan, and Technology. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of the Perceptron Learning Algorithm. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the realm of machine learning. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand the Perceptron Learning Algorithm. Developed in the late 1950s by Frank Rosenblatt, the perceptron is a fundamental algorithm in the field of machine learning. It's a simple yet powerful concept that forms the basis of neural networks and paved the way for modern.
At its core, the perceptron is a binary classifier. It can predict whether an input belongs to one class or another. Imagine a perceptron as a virtual brain cell, making decisions based on the inputs it receives. It takes in multiple features, weighs them according to their importance, and produces an output, a decision on which class the input belongs to. But how does the perceptron learn? It goes through a training process where it adjusts its weights based on the errors it makes. By comparing its predictions to the actual class labels, the perceptron fine-tunes its weights to improve its accuracy over time. It's this iterative learning process that allows the perceptron to make increasingly accurate predictions. One fascinating aspect of the perceptron is its ability to learn and adapt to complex patterns in the data. With each iteration, the algorithm gets closer to finding the optimal decision boundary, the line that separates the classes. The more training examples it sees, the better it becomes at classifying new, unseen data. Now, you might be wondering, what are some real-world applications of the perceptron learning algorithm? Well, it's used in various domains, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and even in financial forecasting. Its ability to analyze and classify data makes it an indispensable tool in many industries. To wrap up, the perceptron learning algorithm is a foundational concept in machine learning. Its simplicity and effectiveness have made it a cornerstone of modern AI. By learning from mistakes, adjusting its weights, and improving its predictions, the perceptron paves the way for more advanced neural networks and sophisticated AI models.
you.